when it hurts like this.
Very often I get devices after trying to repair the device customer myself, and often people did think in the right direction. Or it is related to common hygiene problems. Sometimes it is associated with both problems, as it is today. Hello everyone, привіт всім, and welcome back to very excited video blog. Today I have very good headphones from QTI. You can find a link to purchase them in the description. A client complains what his sound has become quiet. Okay, let's see.
When it hurts like this.
As you can see, the client tried to repair headphones himself, and he glued on the protective mesh grid. As a result, part of the duct where air or sound comes out was closed, and only a small hole was available. When he inserted this type of headphone into our ear, they should vibrate freely, delivering sound to our ear. But as soon as you close the output hole, sound does not come out. So, the solution for this problem is very simple. First, attach the protective mesh grid correctly. Second, observe ear hygiene and clean your ears. That's all for today. Best way say thank you to the after it is become a channel sponsor or share this video with your friends. I will hope to see you next time.